Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm The Real Keshia, and if you're new here, go ahead and press that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and also press the notifications bell so you'll be notified every single time that I post a video. Today I'm going to be doing my simple everyday makeup routine. It's something that I pretty much do every single day, but if I'm going to work or going to run errands or doing something of that nature, this is the simple routine that I do. So I've already prepared my skin. I've already applied my moisturizers and serums. The only thing I have left to apply is my sunscreen. I use the Bienfait SPF 50 by Lancome, and it's a sunscreen for your face, so I use it only on my face and my neck, and I literally just apply some everywhere. So I really start with my sunscreen and I apply it everywhere because I don't get it in your eyes, guys. Like, I'm getting in my eyes right now. So I've already done my brows, just in case you're wondering. I don't want any more sun damage because I had enough fun sun tanning and doing all that good stuff, so I don't do suntan. I also use this creamy Kiehl's moisturizer. This is a really rich and hydrating eye cream, so I use it because it really works. So in case you guys are wondering why I'm always looking down, it's because I have my mirror down here and my camera's up here. You know, don't judge. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing is applying my primer. And of course I'm using my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I love this stuff. It's my summer holy grail. I swear to God, I use it all the time. I only use a little bit, and I find it just grips my makeup in place like all day, and I just love it. The next thing I apply is my Josie Maran Argan oil, and it's 100% argan oil. And you guys are probably wondering, like, why do you apply that after? But I don't. I just literally apply it on my lips. So the first product that I'm going to go into is my Nars Ready Creamy Concealer in the color Ginger, and I love this stuff. It's my holy grail concealer, especially for the summertime. Like, I just love using it. I find it gives me such good coverage. I usually just go under my eyes because I have dark circles there, so I'm going to cover it with that. So I usually cover up my blemishes and redness with my concealer. And I'll just like define my nose with the concealer as well, because it gives like a nice base. And just do my chin. And I do my cute as well. So then I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and just blend everything out and make it nice and smooth. I really like this concealer. I find it just blends out so nicely. Gives your face like such nice coverage without making your makeup look cakey. Like, no other concealer actually does this for me. Like, don't even know. So once that's done, I like to go back in and just lightly put more concealer on the places that may have needed just a little extra help, because I'm not going to be wearing foundation, so this just covers. Blend in. So what's up with you guys? Like, tell me what's going on. Have you been liking my videos so far? Please comment on my videos, like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, if you're watching this because you like my videos, so subscribe while you're at it. And let's move on. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing is just setting under my eyes with some Mercier translucent setting powder. I love this stuff. And then I take my Real Technique setting brush and I literally just set it out, you know. And I go on my eyes while I'm there. And to set the rest of my face, I take MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish in Medium Tan. It's so beautiful. I take some with my beauty brush from Real Technique. It's actually a blush brush, but I use it as a bronzer everything brush. I really just like set my face with this and add like a little bit of coverage because this is really good. It's so sheer. It gives you this nice coverage, buildable coverage without weighing your skin down, like, and it just gives your face this like natural glow. It's so nice, like really nice. The next thing is I take contour my face and bronze it up just a little bit. I go ahead and take my Fenty Beauty Stalk'r Instant Warmth Bronzer in the color Island Ting. My favorite. If you don't have this, get it because it's so good. Today I'm taking this small Rouge Sephora Collection Pro Mini 55.5 brush. And for this, I like to just play really lightly and like build my way up. I don't like to add too much because, I mean, we want to be bronze, but not like too crazy. So I like to start small and just like work my way up to the coverage that I want. I really like to apply it on the apples of my cheeks, especially in like everyday makeup, because it just gives my cheekbones this like gorgeous lift, and I just love the way it makes my look. So, and I also get my neck because I just do. Getting your neck is so key. Next, I'm gonna be contouring my nose, and I'm gonna use this Sigma Precision brush, P86 by Sigma. I'm just gonna dip it into my Fenty bronzer just to like shape my nose. And I like that it's a precision brush because it's soft but firm, you know what I mean? So it really gets in there and it does the job for you. So I also take that bronzer and just run it on my eyes, like in the crease, just a little bit to give some definition to the eye without looking overly, you know, bronzed. And then I take my MAC 217 brush. Everyone has this brush. Looks like this. I just dip it into my bronzer again and I run it under my lash line because I just like that natural under eye brown lash look. I find it just like makes my eyes pop. And voila, Next, I'm going to be taking some blush, and I use the Milani baked powder blush. This is in the color Luminoso. I really like these blushes. I've been using them for a long time. They're really pigmented. They add a nice natural glow to your skin. I really love it. So that's what I'm going to do. Just apply some to the apples of my cheeks and work up. And like, I don't apply that much, just enough to give my face some color and glow. You're doing everyday makeup, you don't want it to look like you have makeup on. I just, you know, brush it on my forehead, brush it on my cheeks, brush it on the top of my nose, and that's it. For some shimmer on my eyes, I'm just gonna go in with this Morphe palette. I'm gonna take this color right here called Sunnies, and I'm just gonna dust it on my eye, just to give my eye like some shimmer. And that gripping primer that I added on before is really allowing that to like look really gripped and nice. And for the outer edges, I'm just gonna take this Beach Please color and work that into my outer corners. Just a little bit to give it some definition. And it doesn't have to be neat, because you're just running errands, it's not glam. You're just going in for some definition. Well, I am. This is what I do, so y'all do whatever you want to your face. So that's that. Moving on to some highlighter. For highlight, I use Becca. I mean, duh, it's so good. Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed in the color Proseco Pop. And it's super nice. See that? Nice. And I take a fan brush for this because it's the only thing that works for me without looking too much. And I just focus it on my cheekbones, you know, and up here, and up here, just a little tip of the nose, Cupid's bow, of course, chin, brow area. Sometimes I even work it under my eyes, just to give my eye a little bit more brightness and juiciness. For eyes, I like to use this Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. I really love it. I find it makes my lashes long. I don't wear fake lashes, so I really just try to use products on my eyes that make them appear longer. So I go ahead and I apply my Lash Paradise. Make sure I get a nice coat on my eyes, because this is what is going to make your eyelashes appear longer. For mascara, I use the Voluminous Original by L'Oreal. It's a famous, iconic mascara. It works for me, so why the fuck change? So I really gotta get in there. Okay. So for lips, I'm taking my Bobbi Brown lipstick in the color Swordfish Pink, and it's a nice pink, light pink color. It's so cute. It's like the color of my lips, so it works out. And I just apply it like that to my lips. So this is a Fenty Universal Lip Luminizer in the color Glass Bomb. lit. The next thing that I do to set my face is I use this amazing Hangover 3-in-1 spray. I love this. I find it smells so good. So just spray it on my face. Feels so good. Like, it smells so good too, and just look at the glow that it gives. And there you guys have it, my everyday simple makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and stay tuned for the next video. I love you guys. See you then.